Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you how you can create a WhatsApp account on PC. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go on to web.whatsapp.com. Now over here, once you are on this website, it always tells you to scan the QR code. But since we're doing this without a phone, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on download option over here, and then we're gonna click on open Microsoft Store. Now it's gonna download the WhatsApp app from over here, so let's wait for it. Now you're gonna click on open, and then you're gonna click on get started. Now as you can see, it's still showing you the QR code, so you're gonna click on link with phone number. Now you're gonna select the region, and then you're gonna type in your phone number over here, and then you're gonna click on next, and you will be able to log in into your WhatsApp account by verifying the phone number, so you don't really need to have a phone with you. That's how you can create an account on your PC on WhatsApp. If this video helped you guys out, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out. And for further videos like this, just comment down on what you guys would want to watch next in the future. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.